Most people see rock bottom as the end, a symbol of failure. But what if it's the best place to begin? Rock bottom strips away your illusions, your masks, your ego. What's left is the real you, and that's powerful. J.K. Rowling was broke. Steve Harvey was homeless. Oprah was rejected, but they didn't quit. They built from the bottom. At the bottom, every small step forward feels like a win. And those wins, they're fuel. You're building strength, one brick at a time. If you're at rock bottom right now, congratulations. You've been given a rare opportunity to rebuild something real, something unstoppable. This is not your end, it's your beginning. The world hasn't seen your best yet. I repeat, this is not your end, it's your beginning. The world hasn't seen your best yet. If this video gave you something to think about or helped you even a little, hit that like button so more people can discover it too. And if you're on a journey of growth, mindset, or self-mastery, make sure to subscribe for more weekly insights. Until next time, keep growing, keep evolving, and remember, you've got the controller to your life.